Alright, multiply or divide the polynomials. 2x squared times 7x to the fourth. 2 times 7, 14. X to the square, x squared is x times x. X to the fourth is x times x times x times x. 14x to the sixth. Negative 5 times 4, negative 20. M times m squared is m cubed. N cubed times n squared is n to the fifth. Next we have negative 2 times 5, negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 3 is positive 30. P times p squared, p cubed. P cubed. Q cubed times q squared, q to the fifth, times q to the fourth would be q to the ninth. Next we have 6 times 1 is 6, times a half. 1/2 of 6 is 3. R times r to the fourth, r to the fifth. S squared times s cubed, s to the fifth. T squared times t cubed, t to the fifth. E, 3ab times the quantity 2a squared minus 3b cubed. We need to remember to apply the distributive property. So we have 3ab times 2a squared. 3 times 2 is 6. A times a squared is a cubed. B times 1 is just b. But we are not done. We also have 3 times negative b cubed. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Times a times b cubed, which is b to the fourth. Are there any like terms that we can combine? No, we can simplify a few things. There are a few things we could pull out, but for today, this is a perfect answer. F. Again, we have 2a cubed b times the quantity 3a squared b plus a b squared. So we apply the distributive property. 2 times 3, 6. A cubed times a squared, a to the fifth. B times b, b squared. Plus 2 times 1 is just 2. A cubed times a to the fourth. B times b squared is b cubed. Can we simplify anything? Eventually a little bit we could, but I'm pretty happy. I think we're done. Now we have x plus 1 times x minus 2. A couple of ways we could do this one. We could say, for example, x plus 1 times x minus 2. Using the box method, x times x, x squared. X times 1 is x. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. That would give us the answer x squared minus x minus 2. Check it another way. X squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. Good. Two different ways, so we're correct there. X minus 2, the quantity squared. Well, one way we can do this is just the vertical way that we learned when we multiplied whole numbers. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X times x is x squared. And when we add it all up, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4.